Hi guys, welcome back to BioBuddies 25. Today we're going to talk about the major differences between DNA and RNA. First, we'll talk about DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and it is usually found in the nucleus, with only a small amount present in the mitochondria as well. DNA is double-stranded and composed of a deoxyribose sugar, phosphates, nucleotides, and nitrogenous bases. These bases are adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. Now let's discuss RNA. RNA stands for ribonucleic acid, and it forms in the nucleolus and moves to certain regions of the cytoplasm. It is single-stranded and composed of ribose sugar, nucleotides, phosphate groups, and nitrogenous bases. These bases are the same as DNA, except uracil replaces thymine. The final major difference between the two is their primary function. DNA replicates and holds the genetic information required to build proteins, while RNA acts as a messenger and is involved in the protein synthesis process.